Pat Bottom. Alrighty, beautiful folks out there at Pat Bottom Kitchen. Now we are in the far bushes, you know. We're in the hills over here. Yes, yeah man, we're in the hills and we're by the riverside, you know, checking out the goodness of our little parish. Now we're at the head of the river. Yes man, we're in the hills, far hills, or we say far hills. Far hills with a riverhead we call it. Yeah man, and guess what we encounter with? We encounter with a thing we call them down. If the older folks probably remember down. Yes, my youth, come in and show the people on the down. People remember the down, see that? Yes man, this is the cattail we used to call it when I was a younger youth. We used to call it a cattail and this is the down. And it's coming from a big tree, you know. Yes, so look like a big tall tree, yeah, we call it down tree. Yeah man, it's located in this area right here, so. Yeah man, on the floor you can find a lot of down. Back in the days people put, you know, in the pillow, you know. Man, the softest and coolest thing. This thing here we call the down. I don't know if it have another name, but that's the down tree right here, and this is, yeah man, this is the down. Yeah man, may I tell you people, we need to hold back our culture because all them pillow them take and talk about it soft and cool and nice and whatever. This is the real deal right here. This is the real deal right here. To make pillow, in the woods of Jamaica we have down trees when you go in the forest. And this my old people use and make pillow. Yes, we use and make stuff in the pillowcase, and this make it comfortable to put on your face. Put your side. Yeah, put it on your cheek. Feel nice, done.
Yes.
Never feel like cotton in it. Look at that man, amazing. Look how this beautiful and pretty man. Look at that. Look at that. Yes man. So what we are doing, we okay Janga, you know people. We okay Janga. As we said, we have ventured down on the riverside, on the river coast. Now we are river head. Yes, in the down area, the down tree, the big down tree over in the bush. Yeah? So what we are doing now, we are going to cross the river here now. Yeah man, we are going to cross this little area now and go. Originally where we plan to go. Pick up the down now yet. Yeah man. Yes. Look at up and down the youth have. Yes man, go near pillar, right? Yes I. Yeah man, so we find the road now. The original track to go across. Yeah man, we go across this water area now. You know the dog you have to involve. Snatch. I go across boss. Snatch I go across then. Snatch I drink some water still. That's what I drink water before you go across. Yeah man. If you keep moving, that's what mosquito does. Takes it from you. Yeah man. Come snatch. So here what happen now, we're going to do some swim around. We call it Janga. You look Black Betty in the bush here, so we'll talk to the people as soon as we reach out the area. Make them know what's going on. Now we're in the woods and we're in the forest. This is what it looks like, okay? Yeah man, all natural and all going good. Alright, so we'll talk to the people later. Right now. So we want the people see what are going over in the hills here now. Now we're at the falls. This is the area now where the water come off of the stone and the rocks. Come out of the hills. See? So you have a little sneak preview. Sneaky looking and what's going on up here so. Yeah, that's at the next part of the falls. Water rushing down. Yeah man, this water you know come all the way the bottom of Lighthouse, right through Lighthouse Road, the bottom of Lighthouse Road, between Lighthouse and Springbank. There's a little valley there, yes? This is the river that come down through that area. Yeah man. Come out a bridge. Yes. Come out a bridge and it go, you know, come out of, this one come out, which one of the bridge come out now? This one come out right. Everybody's supposed to remember our club. Our in-town Port Antonio club we used to have down the road. Bilal. Right before Bilal, this is where this little spring come out, all this little river. come out. Yeah man, right at Bilal, that one head out. Yeah man, so what we are going to do now, we are going to put on from the river course, we got river course and see where we're going. Alright. We say we are going to catch Black Betty.
Water cold.
Water cold, eh? I mean, water can drink, you know. Yeah, the water you can drink, the water is good for drink. Be careful, man, you fall. And so them adventure through the woods there, no? Yeah man. Yeah man, so them so I can go on through the bush, you know? Yeah man, we'll see what is what. Alright, so all good though. As you say, it's all good. A magical moment to come at them places. Get away from the hustle and bustle of the city, you know? It was raining a couple of days ago, and when it's rain in Portland, it pours. And this is where you find all these type of land, this beautiful landscape in this part of the island. Yeah, man. As you say, when it rains, it pours, man. This is a little spot here. That's the spot there where the water comes down. Yeah, man. Look at it. Beautiful. Nature. Beautiful. Nice. Yes, that's what it's all about. Well, we almost reached our location. Yes. Water clean and pretty. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. Amazing how beautiful it is. Yeah. Snatch. Now for beating a basket. Whitey. You reach. Eh? Come. You reach. Come man. And then first you come here, Bridget. Come. Snatch. Snatch. Well, this is the place where we ventured some time ago. Me and some elder folks, we come on this side. Yes man, off of the hill, you see the water coming off of the hill there. Yeah man, we are telling you over there. Up on the hills now. Yeah, and this is what this little parish have to offer. A whole lot of natural thing going on, you know. And it's that, as we always said, we have the natural thing. Natural resources we have. Yes? And when they can't take away this from us. Yes? And if we believe in our natural resources, there is nothing about poorness. Yeah? Nothing poor, nothing poor come around this type of environment. Yes? Riches. Okay? Maybe not diamond and gold. The purity of life is right here. Alrighty. Yes man, we are here, huh? This is the spot. Okay, tell the people your name, brother.
My name is Damani.
Who is that?
Damani.
Damani. Alright, and which school you attend, Damani?
Bromwood Primary.
Bromwood Primary. And this man is?
Harry Williams.
Come here?
Harry Williams.
And what school you attend?
Prospect, Prospect.
Here, Prospect High. And we're just having a good day out in the nature and see what's going on, yes? My youth, do not forget wet, you know. Do not forget to yourself wet in the water, you know, brother. So the master can stop by down, you know. You get to me, I say? Yeah, man, do not forget to yourself wet. No swim. See water, see falls there, brother. See falls up, brother. See falls there, wet up yourself. If you wet up yourself, mosquito go mash you down. Yeah, man. Be careful up there, guys. Be careful up the side, yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah man, the young children might take the falls, eh? Yeah man. You don't have to wait up on yourself, brother. If you don't wait up on yourself, master go mashing up. Alright? Get into the water. Water cold. Cold. Yeah, man, I know it's cold, man. Go ahead, water, man. Yeah. The man, your time. Yes, man. Go over, man. Go in the water. Go in the water. I enjoy it with the tree. I'm not going to young people drop far up, you know. Yeah, man. You have a little drop off of one up there. Yes, man. Yes, the last time we come, we put bamboo right at the area, so. Aye. That's what it's all about. A good massage, brother. Yes, man. Yes, sir. Alright, that is a Pop Bottom kitchen. That's what it's all about, you know. We cook the food, we eat the food, then we gotta come and enjoy the nature. Yeah? And this is what the nature all about. This is what the Almighty Creator give us. And said, yo, enjoy. Create a sense of yourself. Yeah, man. Create a sense of yourself and you're good. And that's what it's all about at Pop Bottom Kitchen. The moment you create a sense of yourself, yes, and know what you're all about, you'll always have a surviving part. Yes, man, when the man them lock down everything, and how we are going to survive, you see how far with the way a bush. Way in the hills a bush. Yes, and this is where we get back our nature, our natural instinct of surviving. Yes, right in us. Yeah, man, a certain setup. Well, it's all about Jamaica. Yes, they want to take you out of the town. Yeah, man, let them take you out of the town. We have bush figure, right just over there. Way in the hills. Yes, man. Come on, so come cook one pot. And your friend them all of that. And you're good to go. Spend all day over here, so. In the water. See, you know, mingling no other water, nobody washing up. But this water keep running. Yes? And that's the magic. That's the magic of our little island. You know? That's what it's all about. Yeah, man, you need some top model to come over here to come do some real thing over here. So. Nice photo shoot and then area. It's all about nature and the beauty of our country. Yes. Okay, Pop Bottom Kitchen. Yes, we're going down on the river. Oh, we're okay, jungle here now. Yeah, okay, jungle here now. That's what it's all about. Yeah, man. You know, I left my dog then. Dog them there with me. Snatch? Snatches. Snatch. Here. Snatch. Come here, man. Come rock right here. Come here. Come right here. Sit. Sit and relax. Thank you very much. Where you going? Whitey? Whitey kind of different you won't like this. You know, you kind of want a different look at attitude. Snatch. You have to bait. Yes? So you can come over on a bait. Okay, sir? Alright, talk to the people later. Yes, man, the morning having a beach every day. Yes, man, look at this. Yes, the morning. Hey! But the water beat them heavy still, you know? Yes, man, this is what it's all about, young people. Right there for the thing there. Yeah, man, the falls, yeah. The falls coming down, eh? Yes, man. No mingling in the water and all that. Yeah? It's the real deal right here. Yes, side. Yes, side. Yeah, my upcoming video man, team right here. And his first video shot that, right, man?
Yes.
So the first time you hold the camera, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so you know what happened. Next 2 years I are the boss, right? Yes. Alright. Yeah, man. Doing things. You just need some guidance. And the man will be okay. Yeah, man, you need some guidance. Yes? all you need. Yeah man. Up on the falls. Yeah man, you know the hills of Springbank. Springbank and Lighthouse. And this is a full falls. That's what we call it now. So we're going to give a falls their name still, you know. We'll call it Unique Heights. Unique Heights. This is Unique Heights. Yeah man. This is where we have it. Okay, this is on top. There's the water coming down. Yes man. What it's all about. And we're talking about water in Jamaica. Look. We're talking about waterfall in Jamaica. Come on people. In Jamaica. We're talking about water. Well, this is the most expensive thing on top of the earth right now. Water. It's right here. Well, if I sail in this, another water. The water will get one way if you get jungle on this bridge. The water if you low, you think of the wrong day we come to catch jungle. So the water if you run low, you understand? Yeah, the water if you run low. That's a little bit disappointing. The water needs to be running much lower than this wicked black betty, everyone. Because the black betty come out of the stone them down. Under the stone them. Under the rock. Water too fresh now, done. It's so fresh now, we can't get nothing. Bridget, come in the water, man. Come to take the water, Bridget. Yeah? Come to take the water, man. The water is dirty, we can't get the black betty them, you know. Yeah? The water is dirty, you know. Take the black betty, you don't know that. Oh. Dirty up, man, like it's my dirty top. And then I do. Then float on top. Huh? Can they float on top? You dirty, then float on top, you know. But come out too heavy still, don't? Yeah. Too heavy for real. The last time I come and say, you know, peel trash there, so, man, and I tell her, over jungle we catch, you know. Yeah, man, we got trash. You know the water here, so, all in that place here. They dirty it up. Nothing not work, man. That's just nothing better. You're too fast, man. You're too fast now. See if you release the water too heavy now, you know, so you do the jungle fishing. And you know, you're on a basket also. So here we're going now. We are going to follow the jungle business. The crayfish, crawfish hunting for today. Yeah, and next time we have to need to put up on the agenda. And if you come when the sun is out, all of that, but the rain fall 2 days ago. And when you say fall, it falls. And when it rains, it pours. Yes? And it's too much right now, it's too heavy. So we're not going to get the strategy we need to start out, we're not going to get the fire strategy. So we are going to move out of this place now. Well, I'm going to see the beauty of the place. Water coming from all different angles. Yeah, man. And it's the beauty of whatever we have around here. Of Wellington, nature part of Wellington, the real part. Right here. Okay. That's what I'm going on from here. Yes, I'm going. I'm going to look a bit lower still. So you have a lot of sealing. A lot of sealing in the water down.
What?
The sealing, we call them the sealing. Look at drunk of them, eh? The one they look clear, call them sealing, man. My youth, come look for a rose apple, my youth.
Yeah?
Come look what is rose apple. I don't know rose apple. So on green rose apple, yeah, I go. This is what the rose apple look like. Come look, my youth.
Show me.
That's rose apple. When it ripe, when it comes to perfection in yellow. Wait, so we can also go down. And then we go back up. I never walk it, no, I don't know if we can manage it. Alright, them said them at the river course. Yeah. And them said them at the river course and go down, so we'll see what I'm Pat Bottom Kitchen. Taking it to the people then. Tell me a chocolate taste, brother. I first ate it?
No.
And I first ate it?
No.
Okay, but that's what it's all nature all about, right? Yeah man, what about you? What your chocolate? Can I eat it? Huh?
This one I'm going to do.
Okay. Yo, pick the next one. Okay, put it on my back because I don't know what I'm Are you put the seed them in there, push the seed, yeah. You don't want to put the seed them in there bucket, yes sir? Alright. Yeah, pick that one there, Damari. Yeah man. Yes sir. Yeah man, you can't come a bush, I don't know what I'm going man. Alright. That's the cocoa. That's the cocoa pod right here. Yeah man, you see on the video we deal with the cocoa business. Like this. Cocoa pod that. Thank you, man. You're going to hit the road now, boss. Yes? Alright. Okay, ready? We're at this little spot.
Ready?
And this is where the guys I'm going to jump off in the water right here now. Take a dip. Damari, your time. Yes. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Amazing. This is what it's all about. Yo! Yes, sir. Yeah, man, this is what the kids lack in Jamaica. This is the thing that they lack. Come and enjoy this. This is our pool. This is pool for us in Jamaica. We don't know about nothing where the water back up in for days and put chlorine and whatever. No. This is our pool right here. Eda's bedroom. Eda's Jamai, Eda's. No sir. Eda's bedroom, Eda's. Dive. That's what you have obviously. Yeah. Yeah man, Mr. Karim. Right, that's enough. Come on now, Jamai. Eda's bedroom. Come up more man. Oh, amazing. This is the life right here. Yeah, man, it's amazing. You want to check that one there? You want to check that one there? Yeah, that shallow still. No, whether that jump after that one there. If I jump, ever go up there, sir. Up there, sir. Not jump here, sir. Yes or no good? Yeah, go up, yeah. That's not even deep either, but go still. Footers in the bedroom. Go up. Yeah, jump. Foot now. Footers. Yeah, test it first. Yo, my youth, stretch out your foot, sir. Stretch your foot, sir. Like you're dropping your bottom. Because you know how deep it is. Go on. Go on like you're dropping your bottom. Cheer. Oh man, dive to reggae. Fast man. But just don't dive, Bridget. You know how deep the water is? Go under my. No dive, no dive. Go foot out, jump out. Yeah. Alright, bossy. Yeah man, come back feet by. Alright, me carry man, how are you sir? Me carry them. Alright, that's it for that moment right there. The boys are having a blast. See the pipeline gone up there. The next one over there today. Where them pump the water and then go for the house. Yeah man, this is where the people have them pipeline run up. Yeah man, and pump the water or the pump for yard. Or then carry the pump or whatever. Put the water, put the thing in the water. Come on, lift in jug again. Now come up for your jug. Ready? Huh? Yeah man. Angela, you up in a yes or no? We're going to cut your bamboo. I naturally your bamboo cut already, yes or we cut your bamboo from. Yeah, you promised me you want bamboo for your line. So you cut on the pan ground. Yeah man. Your bamboo there. Yeah man, see me? Yes man. Good little nice length. Yeah man, all the way up there, see me? Yeah man, nice length bamboo this. To take care of the clothesline or whatever. Yeah man. Yeah. You have to keep it away from Ted, you know, because Ted, you know. So you take it, you pick people coconut, so you have to keep it away from Ted. Alright, so go hit the road. You ready, bossy? Alright. Yeah man, I carry the bamboo down in the bush, man, alright, so man. We care up on the hill, don't we? That's the story I talk about. Yeah, so you set up. Yes, uncle. Yo, Ross, what going on? A long time I see the man in the hills there.
Yes, man. We are jumping some plant from them to the back of it.
Oh, yeah, do I think up on the hill?
Yes, right.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, man. A sunny out here, brother.
Yes, sir.
Alright, my boss. Blessings, see me. On the top of the falls there, I look down. You know we are going to ride across and now the bush and now go see what going. Yeah man, throw it down. Just slide it down, nobody try to make it bust, you know. I mean, no, you're going to make sure you find it in the ground right now. Yeah man. My youth are struggling, some of my youth. All terrain, I tell you, wicked. And that's all. My youth, come hold this man. Huh? Hello. What go on? Ah, no. Ah, me go on well. Look at what I got. Let me go and come on. Whoa! Slide him on. That's how you people come in. Come on, that's brother. Alright, super. Yeah, there's some trees down the valley. Look at the great falls. Yeah man, look at the dropping. Yeah, dropping falls, you know, straight down, that's it. Yeah, we'll take them now, we'll go down the gully now, so I'm going. Go down from the back end there. That's what I'm going on now. Oh, you're too bad. You can go down there, don't you?
Yes, I have some more.
You have to dry.
No, they're up there, so.
Come, walk on. tell you. Just crawl off of the falls. Yeah, man, we have to crawl off of the falls, and I tell you. This is all happening. The boss reaching already, man. Over there, Lele. Oh, you're reaching already, brother. Are you? Throw the machete down, man. Throw the machete down in front of you. Throw it. Yeah, man, over there. Yeah. Alright. So we are journey from the water coming in. Yes, that's all about. Great day today. We're not getting to catch a jungle them, but guess what happened? As we see, you can see the place kind of river kind of heavy. Yeah, man, I'll give you a little. I think get the jungle today. Heavy. Yeah, man. Inside crystal droppings. Crystal droppings. That's over there. Crystal dropping falls. Yeah, man. We are at the final spot. This is the area now where here all the kids them make nice in the terrace down in the valley now between Lighthouse and Springbank. In this area you open night in the summer and all that. Well, this is them little big river them call it. A little big river. Yeah, man, this is the place where they come and hang out and have real fun. Pat bottom.
Big up Pat